an update tonight from the ABC15 investigators. Caught on camera, Phoenix firefighters denying a sick woman an ambulance ride to the hospital.
To be honest, I just worked in ambulance, and all the hospitals are shutting down.
ABC15's airing of that video prompted a fire department investigation.
And our senior investigative reporter, Melissa Blasius, is following up, getting a copy of that final report showing policy violations and for the first time answering why a firefighter would talk someone out of an ambulance.
It's August 2021. Haydee Pate has COVID.
You just want to take her to the hospital? Yeah, she wants to go to the hospital.
This is what her doorbell camera captured. A Phoenix fire captain, paramedic, and firefighter EMT talking to her son after responding to a 911 call without bringing an ambulance for Haydee.
That ambulance is $1,500. I mean, we'll take her. You got $1,500. I know what I'd like to do with $1,500.
Haydee explained to me that her son needed to remain at home to care for her young daughter, but instead he ends up driving Haydee to the hospital where she's admitted for pneumonia.
I wanted to be treated with respect.
Fire department, what's the address of the emergency?
ABC15 has covered multiple cases of ambulance denials in the city over the past 2 years, including at least one death, despite the city's long-standing policy that everyone who wants an ambulance gets one.
Very sad. And I don't want that to happen to nobody else.
But for the first time in this Phoenix Fire Department internal investigation into Haydee's case, we learn why a firefighter would persuade a relative to drive a patient instead of using an ambulance. Firefighter Christopher Flores told investigators time. It takes time for an ambulance to get to them. It takes time for us to load them up. It takes time to get them to the hospital, and sometimes time is crucial. But when the investigator asked if time was crucial, would it be wise to have a medic versus someone who was not trained, he responded, yeah.
They contradict themselves back and forth, with their comments. They just made me wonder what's going on.
The Phoenix Fire Department did send us a statement saying that they want to assure the public that they are committed to providing the highest levels of community service. At the same time, you might see why a firefighter would be worried about time, especially with an increasing number of 911 medical calls in this community, as well as increased response times for ambulances in recent years.
In 2021, the year Haydee needed help, an electronic health record company released a report showing the nationwide average. 83% of people who called 911 for help got an ambulance ride to the hospital, but Phoenix's self-reported data was much lower, transporting patients on just 35% of calls. However, Phoenix's transport rate climbed to 48% in 2023 after a new state law went into effect, barring all paramedics and EMTs from counseling a patient to decline emergency medical services transportation.
Maybe there's not enough ambulances.
In an effort to increase the available ambulances and reduce response times, the fire department is asking the Phoenix City Council this week to approve converting 10 part-time ambulances to 6 full-time ambulances, adding more than 50 jobs to staff them. As for Haydee,
it's been over 2 years. Nobody reached out to me to apologize.
No apology, but the fire captain that responded to her house has retired, and the internal report found that the firefighter and paramedic, who remain on the job, violated multiple city policies. But Haydee still has questions, like who signed here as the patient refusing ambulance service because she says it wasn't her.
That's not even close. That's not my ignition. That's not my signature.
The Phoenix Fire Department would not tell her, nor ABC15, whether the firefighter and paramedic faced any discipline here.
Do you think that there needs to be stronger consequences if these ambulance denial situations keep happening?
Yes, definitely. Together we can make a difference.
Again, the Phoenix Fire Department won't say what discipline, if any, was given out in this case, just saying that they do take necessary corrective action when issues are identified. They also, in reference to those transportation rates for the number of people who are getting ambulances, say they can vary widely from city to city. I'm investigator Melissa Blasius, ABC15 Arizona.